Hey guys, welcome to our first video of Gmod. I have a special guest, Benjamin.
Hello.
So he's playing in Abius, well, in the Anakin Skywalker skin. Don't you dare shoot me. So we're gonna be exploring this castle. Stop. We're gonna be exploring this castle.
I hate intros.
We're gonna be exploring this castle and just have some fun in it. Okay, I'm gonna give him Ben. Hide. We're playing hide and go seek. Well, hide and go seek tag. Okay, I'm gonna count to 1, 2.
Wait.
I'm counting to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip a few. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
What?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Actually, hide. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here I come. Hello?
No.
Okay, now I gotta hide. I won that round. Okay, count to 20. I'm coming.
Dead.
Hey!
20, 19. Hey, you spawned on me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
Ben, just so you know, it doesn't have to be in the castle.
11, 12,
There's another
11,
Ben.
10,
There's
9,
a couple other places than just the castle.
7,
Okay?
6, 5,
So, Ben, I'll tell you, I'm not in the castle.
2, 1.
Whoa, I see an explosion outside. I'm kind of scared. What's gonna happen? I keep on seeing explosions outside. I'm really scared. I'm gonna go kill you. If you're still there.
No, you can't do that.
What?
You can't kill me. No, I'm the guy. You have to hide.
I won the round!
No, you didn't. Stop. My game's literally burning out. Are we still recording?
Yeah.
It's still recording.
But don't use that word. If it says... Okay, no, yeah, you can use that word.
Where are you?
But it's so annoying, this thing. Sorry about that.
It's not working. The portal gun isn't working. Alright. It's time to go.
Run! Oh my god. That's scary. Let's go. Ben, I'm at the castle door. Ben!
Hey, trying to do something.
Ben, don't kill me.
Hey, abuse.
Come on! Bring it on!
No, abuse. This is my spawn. I'm gonna get you. You're gonna die. How did you not die?
I'm strong.
Okay, guys.
I'm strong.
I'm sorry for the bad, like the bad content, like the talking, but just not.
Hang on. No, I missed. Look in the water. Give you a hit. I'm down. Stormtrooper out. Hello? Anybody here? Die! Darn it!
I got you.
Yeah, but I was shooting you.
No. How do you do that? And don't spawn kill me, please. Don't spawn kill me. No, you spawn killing me. Seriously. Stop.
Okay, I'm not gonna kill you.
Please.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Please. No. Dude, you're killing me. You're gonna kill me. No, please don't. Please don't.
I'm not gonna kill you. I'm harmless. All I have is a crowbar.
Where are you?
I'm waiting outside for you at the bridge.
Okay.
What the heck?
What?
Oh my god! There was just like a bomb!
Did you guys see that? We
I didn't do that!
didn't do anything.
I just... What the heck? I think it's lagging out or something. Hey, stop it!
What? How do you do that?
Okay, that time it was me.
No! Wait. Okay. It's coming out. I'm a dribble shot.
Then are you come?